Welcome to the 2023 Best Electric Grill Competition video. In this video, we will tell you how to find the right electric grill and what criteria should be taken into account when choosing the best model. What is the most important criterion when choosing an electric grill? Power, number of modes, or cost. In our video, we will consider the top 6 electric grills that cost up to $200. We will familiarize you with the main characteristics of each model, their advantages and disadvantages, and make it easier for you to make a choice. We hope that our video will help you find the right model for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the next videos. So what do I need to look for when choosing an electric grill? Wattage, the most important characteristic. It directly affects the grill's ability to heat the surface to the desired temperature. Models with low power from 700 to 1000 watts are good for cooking sandwiches, hot sandwiches, and so on. But the power from 15 to 2000 watts can cope with thick pieces of meat or fish, creating a golden crust on them. Temperature control function. It's very convenient when the cooking temperature can be adjusted manually. This way you can cook steaks of different thicknesses and avoid burning vegetables. Heating uniformity. It's best if the heating elements are located at the top and bottom. These are in most cases double-sided or closed electric grills whose working surfaces are clamped. If you want to cook perfect steaks when the meat is sealed and all the juice stays inside, choose a closed electric grill. Lid position. If you can adjust the position of the grill lid, you can cook steaks and other foods of different thicknesses by customizing your electric grill the way you want. And if the lid is hinged 180 degrees, you have twice the working surface area. The shape of the working panel. It's better to choose devices with removable work surfaces. These are easy to clean. You can simply take the panel out of the grill, wipe it down or wash it. Container for fat or juice chute. This container is designed to collect the fat and juice that drips from the food being cooked. This makes cooking healthier as it gets rid of excess fat. The drip tray must also be removable, otherwise it will make it difficult to clean the appliance after cooking is complete. Control type. There are 2 types of controls, mechanical and electronic, with buttons and touch screen displays. It all depends on personal preferences and the level of the owner. If you are familiar with temperature modes, the usual rotary knobs will be sufficient. Now that we've covered all the important criteria, we can move directly to the rating. The simplest grill in our rating, having low-power Hamilton Beach electric indoor searing grill with viewing window. When choosing this electric grill, you should pay attention to several important parameters. One of the features to consider when choosing is the presence of a lid with a window, which allows you to observe the cooking process without having to open the grill. This model has a power of 1200 watts, which is lower compared to other electric grills on the market. This affects the grill's heating time and cooking speed. If fast cooking speed is important to you, you should look at more powerful models. The firing temperature of this grill is 450 F, which is quite high. There is also the ability to adjust the temperature from 200 F to 450 F, which allows you to achieve optimal cooking results for a variety of foods. The grill also features a removable non-stick plate and drip tray that fits right under the cooking surface. These 2 elements are removable and can be washed in the dishwasher. The preheat indicator light, which changes color from green to red, can be a useful feature that tells you when the grill has reached the desired temperature and is ready to use. The cost of this model is $85. So what do users say about this model? Insider Beauty confirms that cleaning this grill is easy. The top is easy to remove and the drip tray simply slides out. The grill grate is also easy to remove for cleaning. And note that this is a huge advantage over most electric grills, but it turned out that the material of the grill leaves much to be desired. For example, after 6 months of use, the back panel of the kit end started to melt. But another user reported that the edges of the tray melted a bit after the first use. When purchasing, please note that this grill is made entirely of plastic. If it's important to you that the grill be more durable and long-lasting, look for models made of more reliable materials. The next grill model on our list is the Indoor Smokeless Grill, Techwood 1500W Electric Barbecue Grill with temperature control. With 1500 watts of power and 6 heating modes, you can choose the best mode for cooking different dishes. Unlike the previous model, this grill is an open grill with a tempered glass lid. The set includes 2 removable grill plates and a grill pan, making this grill even more versatile. You'll be able to make sandwiches, fry eggs, steaks, pancakes, and more. The drip tray will help keep things tidy and clean up any excess grease or liquid. The non-stick coated plates, glass lid, drip tray, all removable parts are dishwasher safe, saving time and ensuring trouble-free cleaning. In addition, setting the desired temperature manually from 220 to 450 will allow you to find the optimal mode for each dish individually. Additionally, the grill has a built-in overheat protection that automatically shuts off if the internal temperature gets too high, ensuring safety during use. However, users say there is a downside: the grill can get smoky. For example, one of them says that in the first hour of operation at high power emits caustic vapors from which the eyes get watery, and suggests renaming the model to less smoke rather than smokeless, as many dishes produce a lot of smoke when cooking. And another user says that smoke appears when cooking and it's better to ventilate the room and turn on the fan when using this grill, but notes that cleaning the grill is very easy and convenient. This model turned out to be not so smoke-free, so if you want to purchase one, it may be a good idea to check for ventilation in your home first, or use the grill in an outdoor area to avoid smoke buildup indoors. Next up is the 5-in-1 indoor grill model, Panini Press Grill Sandwich Maker. 5-in-1 grill with 1600 watts of power. One of the main advantages of this model is that you can use it in 5 different modes: as a contact grill, panini/sandwich press, full grill, full pan, or half grill. This means you have the freedom to choose depending on what kind of food you are cooking and which mode is most convenient for you. The grill lid can rotate 180, which ensures that food is cooked evenly on both sides. This is especially useful when cooking meat or sandwiches to get a perfect result and even bake. The LCD display on the grill shows the temperature and time, allowing you to easily monitor the cooking process. The grill is also equipped with a drip tray that easily collects excess fat or oil, making the grill cleaning process more convenient and hygienic. The main difference of this model is the presence of a smart sensor with 5 setting modes. Thanks to this sensor, when your dish reaches the preset temperature, you will hear an audible alarm to remind you. This way, you can be sure that your food will be cooked perfectly, without overcooking or undercooking. The grill also includes 2 removable non-stick plates that can be used on both sides. Lastly, the grill has a preheat feature that allows you to quickly start cooking and reduces the waiting time before cooking. The price for all this is $110. So what are users saying about this model? Amy confirms that cooking on 2 plates at the same time is very convenient, and the temperature gauge really helps to cook the meat well. But there are drawbacks. One user said that the surface is smaller than advertised and the controls are confusing, which makes cooking more difficult. An interesting model with a lot of features. It has 5 different modes, an LCD display and a sensor to monitor the temperature of the dish. But because of the many functions, the controls are very confusing. And here is the next model, Ninja AG300 145-in-1 Indoor Electric Grill with Air Fry. This is a grill and fryer in one device with a power of 1760 watts. Among the cool features, it has a defrosting function and comes with many accessories. These include a 3.8-liter ceramic-coated potato basket, a 5.7-liter ceramic-coated bowl, a ceramic-coated non-stick grill rack, a splash guard, and a cleaning brush with a scraper. A drip tray for collecting grease is also available. The appliance has 5 automatic modes. Grilling allows you to cook meat and vegetable products with a characteristic hot-baked flavor. Aerofriture provides cooking with the use of hot air. Thanks to this mode, you can cook foods that normally require frying in a lot of oil with a healthier alternative. Frying allows you to quickly and evenly fry meat, fish, vegetables, and other ingredients without the need for a lot of oil. Baking provides the ability to prepare a variety of baked goods, such as pies, cookies, breads, and cakes. And drying is suitable for preparing dried fruits, vegetables, and other foods. It comes with a recipe book for preparing these various dishes. The price of the model is $180, but not everything is as perfect as it seems at first glance. Many users claim that the grill does have disadvantages. These are inconvenient cleaning if there is no dishwasher, unpleasant odor, smoke, and noise during operation. Doc Vicky claims that the device is so extremely loud that it's very distracting and makes it hard to cook normally. And Tom says that the grill is very difficult to clean, so much so that the protective screen always remains yellow-brown in color. And the odor from the device is not the most pleasant, so it's best to use it outdoors, not indoors. Or, as we said in the description of the previous model, you need to have strong ventilation at home. To summarize, a model with 5 modes comes with a bunch of accessories, and as the manufacturer promises, you can cook almost any dish on this device, which sounds great. But users talk about the downside, that behind all these chips there are a lot of shortcomings. Whether you're willing to put up with them for the sake of a grill and fryer is up to you. And the most powerful model on our list is this Tefal OptiGrill Stainless Steel Electric Grill, an 1800-watt unit with adjustable temperatures ranging from 110 to 275 degrees Celsius, equipped with 6 intelligent automatic modes. It allows you to cook everything from hamburgers to kebabs. Thanks to this system, the grill automatically adapts settings to each specific dish, providing the perfect temperature and cooking time for optimal results. But beyond that, it also offers 2 additional cooking modes: freeze mode for complete cooking of frozen food and manual mode for roasting vegetables or cooking your own recipes. The removable, non-stick coated plates make it easy to clean the grill after use, as they can be washed in the dishwasher. The cooking level indicator changes its color from yellow to orange to red and beeps depending on how cooked the food is. The tilted cooking plates help grease drain into the drip tray, keeping the grill clean. The lid of the unit hinges 90 degrees for easy use and maintenance. And the cost of this grill is $140. On Amazon, we found a lot of positive reviews about this model. One of them says that everything is as advertised. Excellent readiness indicator. It was convenient to remove the plates and wash them. The large drip tray had had a good non-stick coating, but only after 3 years of use did it have to be replaced. But user Uncle Richie was less lucky, and after 4 months, the coating began to peel off, although the grill was cleaned with a brush and running water and nothing else. It turns out that this model is very suitable for cooking in the house, but you may be unlucky with the coating of the plates, and they will have to be replaced. But since they are removable, it will not be difficult, but you will not have to change the whole device, and we can't help but tell you that there is an improved version of this model for a large company. Tefal OptiGrill Stainless Steel XL Electric Grill. It has the same 1800W power, and it also has tilted cooking plates that allow grease to drip off the food into a drip tray. One of the main features of the OptiGrill Plus XL is its capacity. With 33% more cooking space than the original OptiGrill Plus, you can easily prepare delicious and healthy meals for up to 8 people at the same time. The cooking surface measures 800 cm, providing ample space for cooking food. It features 9 preset programs, including burger, poultry, sandwich, sausage, red meat and fish, pork, bacon, and clams. The precision grill technology with sensors measures the thickness of the food, allowing it to be automatically cooked according to the selected program. The grill also offers a freeze mode for defrosting and cooking frozen foods, as well as a manual mode with as many as 4 temperature settings for cooking vegetables or cooking your own recipes. The cost of the OptiGrill Plus XL grill is $200. The main disadvantage that more than one Amazon user is talking about is that after a couple of months of use, the grill switches to manual mode only, which makes cooking difficult. This is what UserMrank is talking about. After a couple months, it started going into manual cooking mode every time you turned it on, and because of this, it became much harder to cook, and no good solution has been found to solve this problem. Highfalls also had a similar problem. After 18 months, the grill would only go to manual mode anytime it was turned on. Tefal sent instructions on how to reprogram it. It turned out to be a fairly complicated process that worked, but not for long. That said, the user liked the grill for its convenience and ease of use. Overall, this grill offers plenty of options for a variety of cooking options for a large group, but keep in mind when purchasing that sooner or later you will have to deal with reprogramming the unit. To summarize, having a lot of features can be unnecessary and difficult to use, like the 5-in-1 indoor grill, the Panini Press Grill Sandwich Maker, which users complain about having confusing controls, want to cook different types of meat. Go for the Tefal OptiGrill Stainless Steel Electric Grill with 1800 watts of power. If you often have parties or need to cook for a large number of people, the Big Brother Tefal OptiGrill Stainless Steel XL Electric Grill is the way to go. Ultimately, choosing a model depends on your preferences and needs. If you want ease of use and basic functions, it may be worth looking at less sophisticated models. Tell us what electric grill we forgot about in the comments section below. Like the video if it was useful for you, and subscribe to the channel. That's the best way you can support us. Thank you, and I'll see you in your next video.